I collected a couple of pixelated fonts that you can download totally for free. And today I'm going to show you the top 13 pixelated fonts. First I'm going to start with a Pixelon font. This is a really nice condensed typo. It doesn't have any flaws or issues and it looks really good in uppercase. Then we got another condensed font, which is the Levy Windows. Now you might ask, what is the difference? Well, for example, the letter A is not rounded like before. Here the pixels flow away naturally and it's a normal sans serif version. Then I also found a really cool bubble font, which is the 04B30. Really interesting name, but basically this is a bubble font with lights and shadows made pixelated. I thought I also gonna add this one because it looks pretty cool. And next we got the stopwatch. Now this font looks really cool with lowercase letters, but check this out. If you try to make it uppercase, I'm gonna rename it, and if you turn off the caps lock, it's gonna flip back to Myriad Pro font. And then we got Upheaval Pro. Now this is a really nice sans serif with really small pixels and more customized letters. And then we got the Pixar font. Again, this font is only made with one single pixel. Also has both uppercase and lowercase versions, which is really good. And now we're gonna check out a white font, which is the M42 Flight 721. Again, smaller pixels, but with smaller pixels, you also got more flexibility in the fonts. So that's why this wide version looks really good. And then we got this Google font with bigger pixels. This is the Press Start 2P. And this is how the letters looks like. Not a lot to talk about. I think I saw this font in the Mario game. We're also going to check out some modern fonts inspired from Pixel fonts. And this one has the same structure, but the edges are curved and it gives like a really modern and futuristic feel to it. Also looks really techy. And by the way, you can get a personal use demo font and then the rest gonna cost. But overall, it looks brilliant. Then we can check out the Crude Free font. This is also more like a tech font inspired from Pixel letters, which also looks more like the shapes from the Tetris game. And then we're gonna switch it to some classics. And this is the Retrogression. It's a script font made in pixels. It also includes some really cool decorations with it. This is a really good idea to contrast the serif pixelated fonts. So it's really nice if it exists. And now, but at least we gotta get into the Gothic fonts. And this is the Gothic Pixels. And basically a Gothic font got pixelated and it also looks pretty nice. And about least, we got the Allegarde, another font inspired from the Gothic fonts but simplified even more with reduced small pixels so you can see the sharp edges. So these were the 13 pixelated fonts I selected for you guys. And mainly this was it. Thanks for watching.